Hello, everyone. My name is Jovie. Today, I will tell you about my morning routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. Are you ready? Let's begin. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. My alarm clock rings. I open my eyes and sit up in bed. It is a brand new day. I stretch my arms high above my head. Stretching helps my body wake up. I feel happy and full of energy. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth carefully. I want my teeth to stay clean and healthy. Next, I wash my face with cool water. The cool water helps me wake up. Now, I feel fresh and ready. After that, I go to the kitchen. I make my breakfast. Breakfast is an important meal. I usually eat eggs and toast. Sometimes I also eat fruit. A healthy breakfast gives me energy. After breakfast, I choose my clothes. Today, I wear a rose pink dress. I like simple and comfortable clothes. Now it is time to go. I put on my shoes near the front door. I am ready to leave. I leave the house. The morning air feels fresh. I enjoy the peaceful morning. I walk to the bus stop. I see other people starting their day. Everyone looks busy. And that is my morning routine. What about you? What do you do every morning? Tell me in the comments. See you next time. Bye.